So you set up your online store, a media site, a blog, or launched a SaaS product, and things are going pretty good. Except a majority of your visitors close your website without making purchases or reading your articles, and they don't return back. And they're not responding to your emails and the offers and discounts. Frustrating, right? Well, maybe there's a better way. Did you know that you can reach them even when they close your websites without annoying emails or retargeting them? Enter PushEngage. PushEngage allows you to leverage browser notifications in a personalized way. Once your subscribers accept to receive your notifications, you can send them breaking news, flash sale offers, personalized price alerts, send notifications based on what they searched or browsed on your site, and get the timing right. Installation is super easy and it takes 5 minutes. You just need to add our JavaScript code. We have integrations available with WordPress, PrestaShop, and Shopify, where you can go live in just a few clicks. Choose fully customizable subscription box. Select the box where you want it, which color, and after how much time. Use our funnel analytics to provide which of the subscription is best for your site. PushEngage is the only product offering funnel analytics for opt-in optimization. You can automatically segment your subscribers based on geography, device, browser, customer action, and more. With targeted notifications, you can double your click rates of your regular notifications. Create drip campaigns in PushEngage, which send a series of automatic notifications based on user actions, like sending out a 4-day course on blogging or slowly nudge your customers to buy. Using trigger campaigns, you can send personalized notifications when a customer abandons a cart or adds a product in favorite list. PushEngage can increase your conversion rate. With PushEngage Web Push, your customer will most likely see the notification as compared to email where they don't open much. PushEngage works on all major browsers and across all devices. All you have to do is paste the JavaScript code into your website and kick back in your chair. Sign up for PushEngage now and start talking to your customers in a place they will hear you.